Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to add a Google Ads ad schedule. So for this you have to go to the start button, then you have to simply type in the Chrome or the preferable browser that you would like to use. Then simply type in the Google Ads in the top navigation bar, and then you have to just to go to the Google Ads, and here you will get the option of sign in and start now. So select according to your preferences from there, and once you have just signed in, you will get this interface of overview. And from the campaigns option you have to just go to the assets option, and you have to just expand it, and from the assets option you have to go to the audience, keywords and content, and from there you have to click on the ad schedule, and from the ad schedule you have to just simply click on the edit ad schedule from here. Also, you can just simply click on the select a campaign from the top navigation bar, and after that what you need to do is it will simply take you to the option of select a campaign. So let's say I would like to go for the first one from my here. You can just go according to your preferences, and after that here you can see that there is an option of edit your schedule. So here you can see you can just choose the all days, and you can choose your time accordingly, or also you can add time like as your preferences. And after that you have to just simply click on save, and it is as simple as that, guys. Thank you very much for watching this video.